Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the Lexus IS250 and IS350, 2006 to 2013? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you easily locate and understand every fuse. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box, driver's side in Lexus IS250 and IS350, 2006 to 2013, controls interior functions like instrument cluster, power windows, mirrors, and seat controls. It protects these circuits by cutting off power during overloads or electrical faults. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box, passenger side in Lexus IS250 and IS350, 2006 to 2013, manages circuits for features like audio system, interior lights, and accessory power outlets. It ensures system safety by interrupting power during electrical overloads or malfunctions. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box Type A in Lexus IS250 and IS350, 2006 to 2013, distributes power to vital systems like engine control, fuel system, ABS, and cooling fans. It safeguards these circuits by preventing damage from electrical surges or short circuits. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box Type B in Lexus IS250 and IS350, 2006 to 2013, supports circuits for headlights, horn, and various auxiliary engine components. It provides overcurrent protection to ensure reliable operation and prevent electrical failures. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.